Okay, yesterday we used the number, okay, number to find the number of paths, right? For example, if you have this way, 2 by 2, for example, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, from here A to B. Okay, we gotta go from A to B. Already that rule. The rule is what is it? You can go to the right and north, that's it. You cannot go down to the south or to the west. This is not working. Only what to the east and north side. Okay, you know what I mean? So you cannot go this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. This is not working. Okay, this is the west, this is the down, that is not working. Okay, or you have to go right to the east and north. Okay, and north, that's all. Yesterday we did this way. Okay, use this one. We have only one choice. This guy had only one choice, but he can go to the right or to the up. Okay, that's only one choice, right? So he can go to the east and to the north. But from here, still number one. This is number one. That is, we said not a number. But this number one can go up again. North is one, to the right is one, but all the way this is a 1, 2, right? This is a 1, 2, this is 1, 2. But at this point, what happens? This is coming from here, another coming from over here. 1 plus 1 is 2 over here, right? At this point, it has 2 numbers. That is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. You have 2 choices already. But these 2 can go right to the east and to the north, right? So this is coming from 1 over here, coming from 1, and coming from 2 from the down over here. At this point, we have 2 numbers, 1 and 2. Okay, they're coming into the 3, right? 3. But this 3 can move only 3, there's no north, only to the east, 3 ways. Over here, 2 plus 1 is 3, right? Not the number. We said not is what? The intersection number is 3 going up here only. There's no east. So 3 plus 3 is what? 6 different paths. Okay. Can you guys try this one? All right. I'm going to give another example. Try this one. This is example 1. I'm going to increase a little one more, not 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is a lot of work. I'm going to 3 by 2 then. 3 by 2. I'm going to do 3 by 2. This is 3. This is 2. Find number of different paths from A to B. Okay, can you guys try this one? Everybody try this one, okay? And when you got the answer, you let me know, okay? Okay, go ahead.
Four.
Or it should be more than 6. This is already 6. 2 by 2 is up to here. 2 by 2 is 6. It should be more than 6, not 4, okay?
Nine.
Okay, you got the 1, 9. Any other number? All right, now we check it out. Okay, from A, we have number one, okay? Number one can go to the right. This is what number one is what to the north. We have right one pass. We started, okay? There only one pass. But from here, still one, right? No more odd numbers. This one can go to the right and to the up. This one can go right to the north is one, to the right is one, to the east is one. At this point, what happens? 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 is a noun. At this times, the not number is 2, right? Okay, still over here, these two can go over here, 2 to the north, to the east, 2. What happened? This one keep continue still 1, right? Coming to here, 2 is up here. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is what? This not number is 3. Is it okay? Now keep continue over here. This one, to the north is 1, to the east is 1. By this point, not number is 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, now this going move to the north is 3, to the east is 3. But this is what happened. This number 3 is now only one choice. There's no north. Only what to the east, 3, right? What happened over here? 3 plus 3 is 6. Yes. All right. This one more to continue over here. 3 to the right. 1 to the north. At this point is what? 3 plus 1 is 4, isn't it? This 4 does not to the east. Forget it. To the north, 4, right? But this is only one choice, 6. So 6 is coming to be, 4 is coming to be, total is what? 6 plus 4 is what? 10 different paths. Okay, so there's a 10 different paths right from A to B. It is okay? So what that means, 10 different paths is what you can use this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I forgot the one, right? 9. And from here, I didn't count this one. 10. Something like that. Okay. Maybe some confused. That's why we use a number to find the number of paths. You know the number of paths? Number of paths. Can you see that? Okay, I'll give you
Yes.
one more example. Now, the hardest one is about 3 by 3. There's a 4 by 4, but more than 4 by 4, we're gonna use different methods. Okay, we cannot use the number 1 anymore because there is a lot of paths. Okay, this one using the number 1 on your grade AMC 8 very useful because you still don't know what is right permutation with repetition. Okay, if you know that, this is very simple. But this number method is not bad. This is very useful also. Okay, I'm going to give you the next one. Now we have a 3 by 3. Up to that is enough. 3 by 3. 3 and 3. So from here to A to B, how many different paths? Okay, how many number of possible paths? Okay, find out this one. Try again one more time. Do you guys understand this number method? Do you guys understand this number method?
I do, but I needed to get a pencil and paper, so.
But that is not hard. Okay, you guys want to try from the beginning? Okay.
Wait, no, I'm solving. Second, I'm solving it right now.
All right. What about Jake, Luke? Do you guys understand this method?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Yesterday we did, right? Very simple. We start from here. One block. A to B, only two ways, right? You can go this way, right? Using your number one. This number one. At this point, 1 plus 1, 2. That's the number of paths. Increased from here to here.
23 possibilities.
Okay, anybody got the
23.
number?
23.
23, we got over 23 and any other number?
I also got 23.
23. Any other?
Yeah, 23.
But that's wrong. Any other number? Victoria?
I'm still doing it.
Okay. Everybody try again. 23 is not the answer. I'm gonna make a little big.
$20.
20. That possible answer. It should be by even number, right?
Yeah.
Because that is symmetry. Okay, from here to here, it should be same numbers. It's gonna be even number, not odd number. Okay, 23 is odd. That's wrong. Maybe 20 is possible. Try this one. This is one choice. 1, 1. From here, he can go 1, 1, 1, 1. At this point, what happened? Two numbers is coming in there. 2. These two can move up over here. Right? Now the other side, because actually this is symmetry. You can take the right hand side only. It's okay too. It's gonna be twice.
I got 28.
All right. Okay, maybe possible. Okay. This is one over here. Still one go up here to the right over here, right? At this point, 2 and plus 1 is a 3, not number, right? This not number is going to the right or to the north. It's okay. Now check out the other side. This is still 1. The move over here to the right is 1. At this point, what is the 1 plus 2 is not number 3, isn't it? This 3 can move up 3 to the right is 3. At this point, what happened? 3 plus 3 is 6, not numbers. Okay. At this point, 1 plus 3 is about 4. This 4 only move to the right, east. Okay. This is 6 and 3 is about that is a 10, right number 10. This is only going to the right. This one so should be 10, right? Because what? This is how much? 3 plus. This is a 1, right? Yeah.
It's 1. Yeah, you
Yeah,
didn't.
this is a 4. Moving up here, 4. Another 6 and 4 is what? This is a 10. Another 10 over here, right? So to the right 10, to the north 10, total is what? 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's the answer, okay? Are you guys okay? Any
Yeah.
questions about this? Okay, Chung, excellent job. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, Chung is very smart. Understand. All right. Now we're gonna try number 21. This is the MCA 21. Okay, this is a typical numbers, but actually, if you know, right, this method, that is nothing. It's very simple. That's why I guess some of the students, they all correct 25 questions because they know how to do it. But this one looks like this one. Someone lives 2 blocks west. This is some looks like a park. Southwest corner of City Park. Southwest. So what that means? Southwest over here. 2 blocks east. 2 blocks north. No. Over here. Okay. This is southwest. 2 blocks west. 2 blocks south. 2 blocks west. 1 block south. Looks like this way. 2 blocks west. 1, 2, and down. Right. He lives over here. Okay, now I'm going to delete this one in case you don't need this one. And this is a park. And her school is 2 blocks east and 2 blocks north. 2 blocks east, 2 blocks north. Okay, here is her school. Here. And her home here. Okay, but City Park, it takes what diagonal path. So we're gonna take what City Park over diagonal, only one way. That's not only one way. So I'm gonna make right this one. Style this color is better. Okay, from here, home to school, how many different paths? Maybe you can use it, but this is only one way. You can make a change this one a little bit. This is 1 block over here. There's no other way except this one, okay? Same thing, isn't it? From A to B, because from here to only one way, right? Only one way. I'm gonna put this one attached. Okay, so now let's find out. From A to B, how many different paths using the numbers? Okay, go ahead. When you got the number, you let me know, okay? We go over.
Ten.
18. 18.
Oh, I got the one number, one offer, which is 18. Another number? Okay, we check it out. We have 2 different ways. Maybe I'm gonna try both ways. Okay, all right, let's try the number from here. 1 going up here, 1 to the right. This is still 1, but this one to the right, 1 up right. At this point, what happened? 1 plus 1 is not number, it's 2. This is 1 going up here, still 1, right? At this point, what is that? 2 plus 1 is 3. This number 3 to the right, to the north. Okay, but from here, this is what it is still goes what 3 and 3 to the right. Okay, that's number 3. This is also number 3 going to the up and going to the east another 3. At this point, what happened? 3 plus 3 is what? 6, right? Not number 6. This 6 move up, this 3 to the right. At this point, how much? 3 plus 6 is 9, right? This going to the right. This is also a 9, isn't it? Move it to the up. So 9 plus 9 is what? 18 is the answer. Excellent. Or you can cut up over here. First, from here up to here, you can find what the number of paths. Only 3, isn't it? From here to here, there are what? 3 different ways, actually, 3 different ways. From A to B, 3 different ways. Now try again. From here to here, count again. This is 1, 1, same as before, right? We did this one, isn't it? 2 by 2 is how much over here? 3 plus 3 is 6. It's okay? 6. We have another 6 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways from C. Okay? So how many total? Each case is about 6, isn't it? So this, if you take this one, another 6, this one, another 6, this one, another 6, total is about 3 times 6 equals 18 paths. You can solve this way too. That is okay? Later, I show you, okay, if we have more blocks, maybe 4 by 6 or sometimes 5 by 7, we cannot use this one, okay? It takes a little times, isn't it? Right? If we have this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Wow, that's too much work, right? In this case, so we have to use what? Permutation with repetition. It's very simple. Yesterday we did it, right? But your grade is still young, so I suggest to use this number case. Okay, all right. 18 is the answer. Okay, who got the number 18?
Me.
Oh, Ivan? Oh, Chung. Okay, very good, excellent job. Okay, now go back to our the beginning, number 1, the easy one we try. Okay, maybe you guys is very good at very good at math. Maybe up to number 10 will be no problem. Okay, so I suggest from number 1, 2, 3, 4, all yours. You have to try this one. Okay, so I reduce this one. You can show number 4, right? Okay, you guys find the answer by yourself. Okay, after you find our answers, we work together. Okay, all right, try this one, number 1 to 4. Check it out. What is EC, AMC 8 questions? How it looks like it. Okay, maybe you can see that that question is not hard. Up to number 10 is nothing. Okay, 10 to 15, a little thinking, but still easy. So 15 to 20, a little higher, but actually if you are good, that's nothing. After 20, that is so easy if you got more practice on this AMC 8. Okay, that means why AMC 8 is not a very easy number, very easy questions. Okay, you can make all 25. Okay, try this one, number 1 to 4. Okay, all right, go ahead.
I got answers for all four. Can
Alright.
recite
What's
them.
the answer number 1?
A,
A,
Okay.
D,
And
E, D.
which
No,
one?
A, D, E, C. Starting from 1 to 4. A, D, E,
I
C.
got D, and then E, and then C.
Okay. It's the same answer?
Got A,
Okay. Number 1 is A. Number 2 is D. Is it correct? Any other number? Okay. Number 3 is E. And number 4 is C. They are correct. All right. 6 cards, they're gonna make a range one. It's actually each row is 6 cards, exact number, 6 cards. We need 6 cards over here, another 6 cards over here, another 6 cards over here, another 6, something like this way. But he has only 23 cards only. This is what, 24 cards.
one more card.
Yeah, one more card he needs, right? Yeah, that's why he got the number 1. Now, number 2, 50% of today, but that is half pound, $3 per package. What is the regular price for per pound? Half pound is 3, per pound is $6, but this is actually what, 50% off, right? The original price is what, twice, isn't it? 100%, okay? Double of this number is $12 is the answer. All right, number 3, when you see a times 4 over here, -1, -2, negative up to 10,000 numbers. When you add this one, that is 1, another add this number, still 1. You have a 10,000 numbers. If 2 numbers is pairs, there's a 500 pairs over this one, right? 500 pairs. It's okay? So 1 is about 500, isn't it? So 1 times 500 is still 500, and times 4 is 2,000 is the answer. The number 4, 8 friends ate at a restaurant and agreed to share the bill equally, right? Because Judy forgot the money, each of our 7 friends paid extra what? $2.5 to cover her portion. Yeah. They have to pay extra $2.50. What was the total bill? 7 friends paid what, $2.50. Actually, how much? So 7 friends, Judy should have to pay, right? If the accurate time, 7 is how much? $2.5 times 7, okay. 17.5, isn't it? It's okay. But if they equally paid, each guy should have what? 17.5. But 8 guys, isn't it? The bill should be what? 17.5 times 8. Is it okay? So this is 40. 8 times 7 is 56 plus 4 is 60, and 66 of 8 plus 8 times 1 is 8 plus 6 is 14, right? So that is what, $140. That is okay? But we know that when there are 8 guys, they equally paid for this one. Judy should pay what, $17.50. But there are 8 guys there. You multiply by 8. Okay, that is the total amount of bill, $140. Okay, excellent, very good. All right, now try number 5 answers 2 questions. Okay, still this is not hard. Okay, all right, try number 5 and 6.
E. Is it E?
Okay, oh, what is this one? Everybody 20. Okay, I got the one offer. Answer is E.
I got E as well.
Okay, very good.
I think
Yeah,
I
two
got
guys agree
E.
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 All right, three guys agree E.
I got E2.
All right, four guys. That might be answer. There, right? What about Rook?
I also got E.
Okay, very good. Okay, let me check it out the right answer number 5. When you arrange this one in smallest and highest number 5, 5, 6, 8, 106. What does it mean? Sum of all these numbers and divide by 5, isn't it? This is what 10, 11, or 24, and the total 106 times 24, 130, and divided by 4 is what? Average is 26. Where is the median? This is the middle number. Exactly the middle number, right? Yeah, median is 6, average is 26. Average is greater than median by how much? 26 minus 6 is 20, right? Okay, try number 6.
Yes. I got C.
Oh, 1B, okay.
No, C.
C, I'm sorry. C, okay. I got 1 over C. Any other number? But there's a rule, the product of numbers in two boxes, it touches. 6 times 5 is what? 30, something like that, okay? What was the mission number in the top row? This is mission number.
I also got C.
Oh, you got all C, okay.
Yeah, I also got C.
All right, one more.
I also got C.
Excellent. Oh, or
Yes, C.
okay, or choose what C. Because this is 20, right? You know that. 30 times 20 is 600, or you can use what 600 divided by 30 is 20. Okay, this 20 we are coming for these two numbers. 5 times 4 is 20, right? Okay, choice C, absolutely true. Okay, now try number 7. Okay, take a look at number 7. Train's mom stopped at the railroad crossing to let a train pass. As the train began to pass, they counted 6 cars in the first 10 seconds. It took the train 2 minutes and 45 seconds to clear the crossing at a constant speed. Which of the following was the most likely number of cars in the train? Observe over here. They are observed over here. Take a look. They counted 6 cars in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, they had 6 cars there. Only 10 seconds, they count over here. But it takes what? 2 minutes 45 seconds. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. To clear what the crossing at constant speed. Yeah, speed is equal. That means what? It is proportional, right? With the same rate. Which was the most likely numbers of cars in train?
– 140.
140, okay.
I got 142, but I'm not really that sure.
I don't really-
Okay, you got 2 upper number.
Do you understand the question?
I think it's 140.
Okay. Another 140.
I also think it's 140.
Okay.
Yeah, I got 140.
All right, now check it out. That is a proportion, right? With the same rate. It's okay? It's the same rate. But 10 seconds, they showed what is that? 6 cars. But 2 minutes 45 seconds, how many seconds are there? 2 minutes, each minute is 60 seconds times 60 is what? 120 seconds, another 45, total is what? 165 seconds. How many cars? That's a proportion, right? Because they use what? Constant speed. Okay? If you have 20 seconds, you're gonna see 12 cars. 10 seconds, 6 cars, 20 seconds is what? 12 cars, 30 seconds is what? 18 cars, something like that. Okay, now let's make multiplication. Or you can divide by this one, okay? 5 over 3, doesn't matter, same thing, okay? Or 10 times x, it doesn't matter. 10 times x equals what? 6 times 165. But to find the value of x, you need to divide by 10, right? X equals how much? This is divided by 2 is 3, divided by 2 is 5. 165 divided by 5 is how much? 33, right? Okay, so exact train number, car number is how much? 3 times 33 is 199 cars there. Okay, most likely is what? The closest number. Choice is the answer, okay? That is we said proportion. Okay, if you have like observe, right? If you observe what 10 seconds, you can 6 cars. 20 seconds is going to be twice, 12 cars. 30 seconds is 18 cars, something like that. That is okay? That is a proportion, right? Yeah, choice C is the answer, okay? You guys understood?
Okay.
All right, try number 8 now. You have a pair coin is tossed 3 times. You know that when you toss away a coin, there is a head or tail, only 2 ways. Okay, that's in
Is
the
it-
middle. Okay. So what is the
Is it-
probability at least 2 consecutive head? At least what 2 consecutive head?
B.
All right, well, I got the 1 over B. Okay, on 1
Also
over,
got B.
right?
Right,
Okay.
can I change it into A?
You want to change it to A? Okay. 1 is A, 1 is B. What is the event? Event means what? What is being asked? At least 2 consecutive head. We have a coin 1, coin 2, coin 3. We have 2 possible ways.
I got C. I'm not sure if it's correct though.
You guys see?
I'm not sure if it's correct.
Okay. Already you have to make sure. Head and tail. Coin 2.
I got D.
Oh, you got D. Wow, all different answer.
I got A.
Oh, you got D. Okay. Asian maybe a dancer, right? 2 guys. Okay, now let's try. Coin 1, coin 2, coin 3. Also what? H and T, isn't it? So I'm gonna use my tree diagram. Coin A, it can be H or T. Second one is a coin 2 is what? H or T. This is H or T, right? This is coin 2. This is coin number 1. This is coin number 2. Coin number 3. Another one is what? In this case, H and T again, H and T again, H and T again, H and T. Now I'm gonna write over. The first case was head, head, head. Second one is what? I'm gonna write down over here. Head, head, tail. The next one going over here. Head, tail, head. The second one, head, tail, tail. Third one, tail first, head second, and another head. The next one is what? Tail, head, tail. Are you guys following me, right? The next last one is tail, tail. It's nothing. It's already 2 tail, H, and tail, tail, tail. That's all possible cases. But we're gonna find the what? At least 2 consecutive head. Well, this is okay. This is all 3. At least 2 consecutive head. This is okay too. But this is not consecutive. This is not consecutive. This is also consecutive head. It's okay. This is not. This is not. This is not. Where is the answer? Only 3, right? 1, 2, 3 out of 8. Choice C is the answer. Okay. Victoria, good job. Okay. So answer is C. Do you guys follow me? You can check
Yes.
right all possible outcomes. This is all possible outcomes. Out of these outcomes, so how many of this one at least 2 consecutive in a row, not separate? This is not, because what? In the middle there's a 10, not consecutive, right? This is consecutive, this is consecutive, this is all 3 consecutive. So only 3 out of this one is the answer, okay? Victoria, good job. Victoria is working so hard, I understand. All right, number 9, try number 9 by yourself, okay? Incredible Hulk can double the distance it jumps with each succeeding jump. Double every time. If it first jump is 1 meter, first jump, I'm gonna jump 1, A1, okay? That is 1. Second jump is what? Double.
I have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
How much meters or in a kilometer?
There is meters.
And 1,000.
Okay. 1 kilometer, that is 1,000 meter, right? Kilo means what? 1,000. Kilo means 1,000. 1,000, okay? All right.
Answer is B.
Good questions. Good questions.
What's the answer B?
Okay, I got the 1 over B. Very
Explain.
good. Any other answer?
Explain what I did.
Okay, explain.
Okay, so I just counted the each sum because I've memorized it. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Oh wait, what? Why is it zoomed in? Okay, 8, 16, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, and 1,280.
Oh, that is 1,020 more than 1 day, okay?
4, 5,
Ah.
6, 8, 9, 10. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. What? It's 11? What? Oh, wait.
Yeah. 11 is the answer. You can see that, right? 11 is the answer.
Oh, I didn't write the 1 on my.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I did
11.
write the 1.
Yeah, 11 is the answer, okay? You can count this one. Very good. Good try, okay? Good try. I'm gonna keep continuing anyway. A6 is what, 32. A7 is 64. A8 is what, 128.
128,
A9 is 256.
256,
A10 is what, 512.
512,
11,
1,024,
right?
24.
Okay,
Oh,
maybe you can
40,
try this, or maybe you can say that calculate. This is what, 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the square, 2 to the what, 3. We know that 2 to the 10 is 1,024. Do you remember this one? 2 to the 10th power is 1,024. But we count from 0. So 11, isn't it? We count from 0, right? If we start from here, it is a 10 is the answer, but we start from 0 here, okay? All right, so 11 is the answer, okay? All right, very good try anyway. Good try, very good, excellent. All right, number 10 now. What is the ratio of least common multiple of 180, 594? Least common multiple, LCM, the ratio is what? LCM to greatest common factor divided by greatest common factor, LCM over 180 and 594. But the other one is also same number, 180 and 594. What is the ratio of this number? Okay, can you find out this one? Try number 10, okay? I'm gonna write like good writing, okay? LCM of 180 and 594. The ratio is what? The fraction, same thing. GCF of 180 and 594. Okay. What is the ratio of this one? Okay. To find LCM or GCF,
C.
yeah, the best way you have to better use a radar, okay? You know what is radar? Okay, then
E.
B or E?
D.
B.
No.
Okay.
C in cat.
A cat, C, okay. I got the one offer, number 330. Any other answer? Okay, to find the right least common multiple or greatest common multiples, maybe sometimes we use what? Prime factorizations. But the best way, I think, a rather method is the best one. Use this one, okay? 100, write down this 180 and 594. Just you can divide by some number, make it upside down, that is division, right? Maybe the best one is you can start from 2, or what about the 6? 6 is okay too, right? A little big number. This is 180 divided by 6 is 30. 594 divided by 6, how much? 99, right? Now you can divide by 3 again. That is 10, that is 33. What is no more common over here, right? 10 and 33, we cannot have any numbers to divide the different numbers, or except 1, right? 1 or not 2, not 3. This is we said relatively prime. Because there's no common. So what is the LCM? LCM is what? 6 times, 3 times, 10 times, 33. That is LCM, right? You multiply all these numbers. This is the LCM. What is the GCF? GCF is only multiply these numbers, common numbers, okay? 6 times 3, that is the GCF. Is okay? But we're gonna find the ratio over here. This is out, we got only what? 10 times 33, didn't it? That's why you got the answer, number 330. Are you guys with me?
Yes.
That is the best way to find, okay? That is the best way to find LCM or GCF, okay? Use this one. Maybe someone use prime factorization. Wow, it takes too much time. You need to break this one. 10 times 18. This is 2 times 5. This one is what? 3 squared times 2, right? This number is 2 to the second power, 3 to the second power, and 5. 594 again. Wow. After that, you're gonna find a common factor, but it takes too much time. Do not use this one. When you find what LCM GCF, use this method rather. This method is we said rather, okay? LADDAR or LADDER, which was correct? Let me see.
Like if I didn't use ladder, I just calculate by like writing it down.
Okay. Because we have to solve the math. If you take the math too much time, anyway, your answer is correct. That math is not good. Always, we need very short times. We have to find the answer. That's the math. Why we need the math? Math means what? Make it short. That is the math, right? If make a long times, actually that is not math. Right. Now let's try number. Do you guys need any break? Tell me. Hello. Hello, guys. Do you guys need any break?
Needed.
Okay. Take 10 minutes break, okay?
Okay.
So everybody come back here 1:35, okay? 1:35 p.m., okay? All right. Now let's okay, the Zoom. Now I'm recording right now. Okay, everybody try number 11, okay? Number 11. What's the questions? Grandpa used his treadmill 3 days this week. Already each day is 2 miles. Okay, every time every 2 miles. Monday, 5 miles per hour. Second day, 3 miles per hour. Wednesday, 4 miles per hour. Anyway, he's traveled but only 2 miles. Okay, he worked only 2 miles. But after that, we're gonna compare other one. If grandpa had already worked about 4 miles per hour, every day 4 miles per hour. This is second day 4 miles per hour. This is also 4 miles per hour. Okay. So how many minutes less? He can save time, right? Okay, that's the question. Maybe first one, 2 miles, 1 mile, 5 miles per hour. Okay, distance divided by speed is what? The hour, right? So it takes what? 2 over 5 hours. It's okay?
Yes.
Yeah, 2 over 5 hours is how many minutes? Times 60 is how much? How many minutes? 24 minutes. The second one is what? 2 over 3 hours times 60 equals what? 40 minutes. The third one is 2 over 4 hours times 60 is what? 30 minutes. Total is what? 94 minutes there. But every day is about 4 miles per hour. So what? The total is 6 miles, right? 6 miles, total 6 miles, speed is the same thing, 4 miles, and times 60. Okay, that is 1, that is 15, that is 19 minutes. It'll take 90 minutes. Right? How much less? Difference. It's okay? Yep. Number 4 is the answer, okay? I did it because this is not hard, okay? All right, now number 12 is yours. Try number 12 a little, okay, hard. Compare number 1 to 10. Okay, someone's used what pair special on sandals. If you buy 1 pair of sandals at regular price, or regular price is $50. Okay, all right. Second one is 40% discount, 40% discount. So you can pay the only 6%, right? 40% of 50 is how much? $20. Second one will be $30. It's okay. 40%, 0.4 times 50 is what? $20, isn't it? Or times 60%. 50 times 0.6 is 30. That is the second price. The third one at half over, this is the first one, second one, third one will be now half of regular price. Half of this regular price is $25. Get it smaller there, right? Able to get advantage of pair special to buy 3 pairs of sandals. What percentage of $150? Actually, this is original price. You provide 3 times 3. You should pay $150. But actually, pair special, you paid only what? 50 plus 30 is 80. 80 plus 25 only. You can pay $105. You can save what? $45, isn't it? All right. What percentage of $150 regular price did you save? Okay. How can you find this one? What percent? What percent?
I got
you can
B.
save? You got B. Okay. Any other number? Yeah, B is correct because what is that? The difference is saved, right? 150 minus 105. From which amount? From this amount, you need divided by 150, right? That is we said percent of saving. You said what? Percent of saving. Actually, this is 45 over 150, and to find the percent times 100, isn't it? It is okay?
Yes.
So it is 30% she can save, right?
Yes.
Everybody agree, right?
Yes.
Okay, now the next one, try this number 13. I'm not gonna say anything about it because what? Number 11 easy, number 12 also easy, okay? Number 13 is you also know. Okay, try number 13 everybody, okay? The read questions and try to understand 100% and solve it. I'm not going to say anything about this one, okay? What that means, 2-digit number, they reverse by accident. By which of the following possibly might her incorrect sum have differed from the correct one? Which numbers is a possible difference, these two numbers, okay? That's it. Possible, it can be any numbers, but just one of the numbers, you can choose it, okay? So we have to find the incorrect one and the correct one. For example, if you have 87, but by accident you changed what their digits 78. How much different? 87 minus 70, how much? 9 point. That is one possible. But we don't have a 9 like this one, okay? You don't have this one. So you can choose another one. They are all what 45, 46, already large number. This very small number because what we choose two numbers, very close to numbers. I'm gonna close one 93 and 39. That's possible. Oh, that is too much, right? 93 minus 39 is what is that? 54. Oh, very close. I'm gonna use about 83, 38. How about this one? 5, 7 minus 3, 45. Oops. I got the 45 over here. What about you choose like 84, 84, 48? How much? That is a 6, that is 36 anymore. That is not 45 there, right? There's not 36 there. Maybe this is possible. Can you make
61
a 61?
and 68.
61
That works.
and 16 when you subtract. Oh, this is also 45. That's a possible one. Okay, there are many answers there. It can be 54, it can be 36, it can be any number, but we have to choose with the answer out of this number. What that means, this one never got the y 46, never will you get the y 47, we never get the y difference is 48, we never get difference is 49. This is the one possible answer. That's why the answer is A, because we got already 45. Can you make right 46? a little lower than maybe 74, 47. No, that is only 30, right? That is not working, right? That's impossible to get these numbers. Okay, in general, how to find these answers? But this solution is okay too. You can try and error, find out right possible value. I just find 45, right? Try and error. But actually, when you have the numbers over here, we use two numbers, unit digit and tens digit only. That is a 2-digit number. You can use a 2-digit number, the A, B. This is tens digit. This is unit digit. But by accident, we switch this one. This is now tens digit. This is now unit digit. Actually, AB, and you have a number over here. The real number is about tens digit times 10, right? 10A plus B, that is tens. If you have 21 over here. We know that 20 tens digit. That's why we use this one. Actual number is what? The expression 2 times 10 plus 1. That is what? Correct expression. That is 21, isn't it? Because when you have the number letters, we have to separate this way. 10A plus B is the real numbers. The other numbers, how much? 10B plus A, isn't it? Subtract. What happened? 10A plus B minus 10B minus A. 10A minus A is 9A. B minus 10B is minus 9B. From here, we're going to find something else because this is difference. Difference looks like this form. 9 is common. You know the common factor is out. 9 is out. A minus B, isn't it? Yeah, this difference should be always what? Multiple of 9 numbers. It can be, or this is 3. Maybe multiple of 27 is okay too. If this is 1, that is a 9 number. If this is 2, 18 is okay too. But the digit difference is what is that? Highest difference is 9, lowest difference is only 0, right? Okay? Is it okay? It can be many. Many. But anyway, we know that that number is what? Multiple of 9. Can you see that over here? Which numbers is a multiple of 9? Only 45 is a multiple of 9. Is it okay? So what that means? How can you find the multiple of 9 over here? Maybe their difference is 1. Maybe A is one more than this number. So 43. It's okay. A is 4, B is 1. A is 4, B is 3. That's possible. Okay. But out of this choice, we're gonna pass. You choose only possible answer is 45 only. Okay. All right, a little more harder one, number 14 now. Everybody try this one. AB hold one green and one red one being in his hand. Abe, one green, one red. Bob, one green, one yellow, and 2 red. Each randomly picks a jelly bean to show the other. What is the probability that colors match? I'm going to use this way. This is better. AB is what? Green, red. Bob is what? Green, yellow, red. Another red. Wow, 2 red. That's different. Okay. What is the probability that colors match? If we choose this one, their colors match. Green, green.
I got A.
You got A. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm sorry. I want to try this one, but you.
I also got A as well.
All right.
I'm not sure if it's correct.
What's the answer? Any other number?
C.
C. Oh, we have a different answer too. Any other? We have two opposite there. Which one is correct? A or C? Check it out. From here, this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total of possible cases 8. So which one has, how many of this one is the matched color? I'm going to check. Green is matched. 1. All others are different. What about this red? This red is matched. How many? 1, 2, 3, right? Only 3 cases matched. I'm gonna write that. Green, or red, another red and red over here, right? Red. Only 3 matched. Choice C is the answer, okay? Choice C is the answer. That is a probability. It's not hard, isn't it? Can you see that? You guys still think this is hard? Victoria, it's not hard, right? Yeah, this is not hard. Actually, when you look into the like questions, AMC 8 is so easy. Maybe I'm gonna write a recommend, okay, to make a hard questions. Actually, this is not AMC questions. That's number 14. Okay. Everybody can solve this one. All right, now try number 15. That's all yours now, okay? Okay, try this one by yourself. This is a very not familiar with you, but that is the exponent numbers. That's nothing, okay? What is the product of P, R, S? You're gonna find what P times, R times, and S is how much? The first case is what? 3P and 3 to the 4 equals 90. From here, find the P. The next one, 2R plus 44, that is equals 76. Find out the value of R. P equals how much? R equals how much? Third one is what? 5 to the third, 6 to the y, S power, that is 1421. From here, find out the value of S. Do you think it's hard? This question is too easy, right? For 8th grade, right? This is not like why AMC 8 comes these questions. Okay, that means what you can solve this one around the because you are 6th grade, maybe you can find, I think around you can solve 16 or 70 questions. I think so. Okay, as you can see, that is not hard, isn't it? What is the value of P over here? This is how much? 3 to the fourth power, how much? 81, right? 3 times, 3 times, 3 times, 3 times. 81.
Equal to.
Yeah. This is, what is the value of P? So 3P equals how much? 90 minus 81 is 9, right? 9 is what? 3 squared, isn't it? So P is 2. This is the way. Okay? Okay, find out the rest of 2, R and S. What is the value of R? What is the value of S? You know what is the exponent number, okay? You guys learned this already.
Is 5.
R is 5 is correct. That is 32. R to the 5 is 32 plus 44 is 76. What is the S? What is the S? 5 cubed is how much? 125. So 6 to the power should be, what is that? 6, 9, 12, 96. 6 times what exponent will be 1296? Can you try this one? 6 squared is 36. 6 cubed is how much? 6 cubed is how much? 216. 6 to the 4 is how much? Times 6 again. 1296, isn't it? So the value base is 4. We just got all the numbers. What is the product of this one? 2 times, 5 times, 4.
B.
B is the answer, right? Excellent. Okay, this is not hard. Okay, let me see. Geometry. We did the number 20. We did the number 21.
Number 20 was. Wait, we didn't do number 20.
We didn't do number 20?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to try? Okay, I'm gonna take this one. Because everybody know, right? Pythagorean theorem, right? This is number 23. Anybody knows what is the Pythagorean theorem?
No.
Write it.
You guys know this one, okay?
Yeah, I do. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. And then the
All right.
right triangle.
Yeah. Usually we use this one. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. What that means, a squared? What that means, a squared? Area of this is square, right? That's a squared. What is the area of this one? B and B, this is b squared. This is c squared, right? So actually, area of this one, I'm going to use A. This area is B. This area is C. Pythagorean is what? Sum of this area should be equals to this area. That is a Pythagorean theorem. That means what? This area, it doesn't have to be always square. Okay? So remember, it doesn't have to be always square. Just what Pythagorean is what? Area of this one was similar. It can be anything similar. Okay? It can be square is okay, or you can put attach over here. Equilateral triangle is okay, or semicircle is okay. They are all similar, right? Always right. If this area is A, this area is B, this area is right, A plus B. This is right Pythagorean theorem. Not always right. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. In this case, you have to use right square. Okay, that's the area means.
Arc was.
Yep. So Pythagorean, the real Pythagorean theorem is this is what semicircle, semicircle, semicircle. They are similar, right? Because Pythagorean means what? Any similar figures always about sum of this area equals this area. That is the real Pythagorean theorem. It's okay? All right. Take a look over here. Area of a semicircle AB, this area is 8 pi. This area AC equals what? 8.5 pi. What is the radius
I
of
got
semicircle
C.
BC?
I got C.
You got C over here. Okay. All right.
Oh, actually, yeah.
Okay. Now let's finish this one, okay? You have to understand what is the real Pythagorean theorem, okay? It works for any similar figures attached to each side, okay? But over here, They say given the area, 8 pi. But this is about arc of a semicircle. Arc is given 8.55. Okay, now we're gonna find what? Oh no, this is 8 point on the AB. No, what is the arc by AC? Okay, this arc is what 8.5 pi. Different way. Okay, one is given what area, the other one is what circumference. Okay, this is a kind of what is it? Length of this arc, and the next one we're gonna find the radius of this one. Okay, oh, they're all different, right? So in this case, better use what the length of each side. Okay, this is nothing to this one. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna try this. Okay, this is the area 8 pi. This is entire the 16 pi, isn't it? This is pi r square, right? Pi r squared is 16 pi. Pi out r squared is 16. R is 4. You know, this side is 4. The length is now 8. Arc is 8.5 pi. The entire circle is what? Times 2 is 17 pi, right? What is this one? Pi times diameter is 70 pi, isn't it? So diameter is 17. This is number 17. But in this case, right triangle triple, right? Or Pythagorean triple. 8, 15, 17, isn't it? You guys learned this already, right? Pythagorean triple. 8, 15, 17. You don't need to work. That is length of 15, half of this radius. Okay, so we're gonna find what? 7.5 is the answer. Is it okay? Are you guys with me?
Yes.
All right, then that is not 8, okay? So
I rounded.
Pythagorean triple, you have to memorize, okay? 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, and 8, 15, 17. I recommend to memorize all these 3 only, okay? All right, so the answer is what? B is the answer, okay?
Okay.
So if you know this one, you don't need any work. Okay, so you don't have to use this one, 8 plus x squared and 17 squared, right? Because what we need to get the answer very quickly. This is not good idea. If you know, memorize this Pythagorean triples, you can get the answer directly, okay? 7.5 is the answer. Okay, number 24 is not hard. Actually, you can do this one, okay? Number 24. Number 25 is so easy one, okay? This is a circle problem. So how to pair? MC8 is so easy questions, okay? That is not hard way. All right? Don't pair MC8 is hard, okay? MC8 is nothing, very easy one. You guys know already, okay? You guys can solve all 25 in given time.
Okay.
All right? Okay. So I'll see you next time, okay? If you have a chance to just chance to keep going another MC8, we continue to work in September, okay? All right. I'll see you. Okay. Have a great summer, okay?
Okay, thank
right.
you.
Okay. Bye.
Thank
everybody.
you. Bye.
Okay.